Hi, first graders. Today I want to show you how to use a math practice website. And this website, you'll log in and be a part of the classroom that I have set up. You'll take a placement test and then you'll start practicing some math problems and learning some math concepts that are right at your level. So when you go to log in, you want to make sure that you're working your hardest because you don't want to start something way too easy and you don't also want to be starting on something that's way too challenging. So I'm going to show you guys how to log in. You can use an iPad, a tablet, a computer, laptop, what you have at home. You're going to start by going to happynumbers.com and then clicking on I'm a student and entering our class code. And I am going to send a login card to each of you so that you have the classroom code and then you also have the password that you'll need to be able to log in as yourself. So to start, we are going to go over to and type in happynumbers.com. And then this site will load, and we are going to click on where it says, I'm a student. And once that section loads, there's a place for you to type in the class code. And I was going to show you how to type in that class code, but it has already remembered me. That's the nice thing about this site is once you get the class code entered, it will pull up the class that we're part of each and every time you log in. So what you'll see is everybody from our class. I'm going to show you, I'm going to click on my name and type in my password to show you what it's going to look like when you start. So the very first thing that's going to pop up is what's called a placement assessment. And this is just where it will figure out what math you already know and then what math you need to start working on right now. And he's asking you to stay focused so that we really make sure that we have you placed at the right spot. You'll click ready to start. This takes about 20 minutes. There's 20 problems that it's going to ask you. And some of them might feel kind of challenging. Some of them might feel pretty easy. You just want to do your best so that it knows what you know. The other cool thing about this website is it will read everything to you. And so right here on my screen is that blue volume icon. If you click
Welcome.
that,
Put on your
it
thinking
will
cap
read
and
the
get
words
ready
that are
for
up
a
there.
math challenge.
If you have a family member at home that is helping you with this and you think it might be more helpful that this site is in Spanish, up at the top corner here where my cursor is, you can select Spanish and it will reload and it will have all of the words in Spanish and then it will also read it to you in Spanish. I am going to go ahead and go back to English and wait for it to load back up again. And then we will hit next.
Which one has exactly 9 shoes?
So right away when you hit next, it's going to ask you a problem and then you will click the correct answer. So it says which one has exactly 9 shoes. I'm going to click on the picture that shows 9 shoes and then hit done. And
Which
then it will
one belongs in
automatically
this group?
pop up with the
Drag
next
the
question.
picture.
So some of them you'll be clicking the right answer, and some of them you'll be dragging and dropping. And so what you'll do is click on a picture. I'm just going to do an example because I don't know if these questions are the same that you'll have. So I don't want to give you the answer or give you a wrong answer, but you'll just click on a picture and then you can drag it using your finger and you'll put that answer in the box there. It's kind of like the MAP assessment that we took at the beginning of the school year, and then the other STAR assessment that we did 2 times so far this year. So I hope that you guys take the time to really show me what you know. And then also, what I do is once you take your placement assessment, I am able to go on and assign you some math assignments, or I might be able to reset if it looks like you might be having a hard time. Or I can also go in if it looks like things are beginning to get too easy for you, I can go and reset some settings in there. So I'm able to see what you're working on and then what you need to work on next. I hope that you take the time to do this and get yourself logged in because I think that it's a way for you to do some practice and I think you'll enjoy it.